Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making egg fried rice with onions and pickle. If we look, I'm using half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. By the way, the turmeric I'm using is Raja's ground turmeric, and then 1 egg, 1 onion, and leftover rice from yesterday. So this is about 1 serving. So that'll serve 1 person. Right, this is what I'm going to be using. Okay, the very first thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to add some oil. Maybe about that much, yeah? So this is to cook the egg. So we light the gas. Now I've got it on high heat so I can heat the pan up quickly. Okay, the very first thing I'm going to add not the eggs, I'm going to add the onions that I've already chopped in little pieces, in squares. So I'm going to add these to the pot. So I'm adding 1 onion, like this. Right, in goes 1 onion. Now I'm going to put this on a medium heat. I don't want them to burn. Yeah, right, that's it. Now I'm going to let these cook for about maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Now this is a very simple meal. It's very straightforward and it's very easy to make. As long as you've got rice that's left over, you can easily make this at home. Instead of going to the Chinese shop or something, and they're going to charge you £5-6, you can just make it in 20 minutes. Okay, so these are starting to go a bit dark now, so I'm just going to wait another 2-3 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes now and they have gone a bit soft, about 90%. Now what I'm going to do, the trick is to put these to one side, right? You put these to one side and then you get your egg, right? You get your egg, break it and add it in. Simple, right? Now you added that in. Now go ahead and break it up here, but don't mix it with the onions. Remember, it's on medium heat still. So just keep mixing that. That. Break it up as you go along. Now I've just broken the egg up into small pieces. Now about looks done. Now you want to add your salt. So here's the salt. I'm going to add the salt in. In goes the salt. Give that a little mix. At this point, it's okay to mix everything. So give that another 30 seconds, let it keep mixing. See, this is a very simple meal. This is for someone like a student, maybe someone who wants a quick meal, doesn't want to go out. They can make this very easy. All you need is rice, maybe that's preferably left over from yesterday, as long as it's not fresh. As long as your rice is not fresh and it's at least a day old, it will make a perfect egg fried rice. Now the rice. In goes the rice. Give it a little mix. Make sure it's all coated and everything is nicely mixed up. Now, chili powder and your turmeric. Mix that really well. Now I'm gonna add my secret ingredient, Shazam, yeah, pickle. This is my secret. When I make this, I always add a little bit. It gives it that extra kick and that extra taste. Right there. I've just added one teaspoon. Give it a little mix. So it's not going to be overpowering because I've just added up just a tiny bit. This is the Asian way of making egg fried rice, and boy does it smell so good. Honestly, it smells really nice. And there you go, guys. This is how you make egg fried rice the Asian way. And if you like what you see, please can you subscribe? So we appreciate everyone that's watching and everyone that comments. Thank you for watching. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Proper egg fried rice. So if you want to learn how to make this, come on to my channel, my mother's channel, sorry. Thank you.